in my life. I never went on a train before. You guys like trains? Yeah, you got these stupid motherfuckers that get a fake train set because they like to watch it. Fucking ride one once. Stupid assholes. They want to look at a train riding around the Christmas tree. Ride one once. You'll never fucking look at one of them again. Right? You want to look at the Christmas tree? The fucking train riding around? You know you want to laugh. Stop that. Huh?
Now arriving.
That's like a cracker ass. That's a cracker thing. you don't see no nigga with a train around the tree. I'm gonna shit my pants. Fucking nothing. Now you don't. Tell me you do. You never see no fake train. Nigger house. Little white boy with his hair part in the middle. Come on, let me on this thing. Come on, I'm gonna shit on the floor. Shut up. Let's get off the train. Fucking people. Can't even take another minute. Come on, people. Move. A 15,000 bag. You think I'm gonna sit here doing this shit stuff? Come on. Go.